Have you noticed Meta ordered to stop training AI using EU user data by the German Data Protection Organization? And this is going to come in all of the European Union countries in very recently. But why the German Data Protection Union has to do this? That is very interesting. So we are going to see this. The AI app, which is developed by Meta, and which cannot be uninstalled or also it cannot be disabled in the apps given by the Meta, namely Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and so on. So this feature cannot be disabled. It's a clear violation on the obligation of user rights. And also the data protection layer is so compromised here. This is the another problem. And if you really want to do that, your data should not go into the data training. You have to fill up a form, and that they never advertise. And this form you have to log in with your Facebook or Instagram account, and then you have to submit this form, and then they will remove your data from this training of these AI models. But what really is Meta AI app is, it's the app is a conversational app, but it is multimodal. That means you can type or you can talk, you can give images, you can take photos, and you can talk based on that the photo you have given to this AI app. And this AI app is also clubbed with the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. And this is a UI of this. I don't want to share my mobile phone. That's why I'm using the website for this. So here in the Meta, you can ask if you want to do a shopping list, you want to create a cover letter, you want to create a trip to your vacation, you can ask Meta AI app to do this. The real catchy thing is that then it is going to use your personal details to create this AI app. In the case of ChatGPT or any other programs, we don't really give our personal details. We will say, okay, I need a 3 days program, I need a 3 day vacation in US or in Europe, something like that we give. But for Meta, when we say that I need a 3 day vacation in Europe, Meta already know that you are a family, you are married, you have 2 kids, your wife is pregnant or not, you are a vegan, do you drink, you smoke, all these things Meta already know by the photos you are sharing, the place you are visiting, the things you are shopping, the communities you are visiting. From this they can find the pattern of your behavior, and based on this behavior they call the context of this conversation, right? Based on this behavior, the Meta AI app will give you the instruction or the plan for this vacation. And this is where the problem comes. So you as a person may not want to use this your personal information, but at the moment there is no way to stop it if you are using one of these apps. And these personal responses are shared with the community if you are willing to. That means the prompt you are designing, the emojis you are designing will be shared among the large community, millions, billions of users. Then they can also understand, or the system can understand what is your behaviors, what is your personal things like that. If you are a person do not want to do that, then there should be a way to stop it, but there is not easy way to stop it. That's why the European Union chipping in, and they are saying stop, don't share the personal data for any of your business or AI training purpose. And for all these app companies where the app is free to use but the infrastructure is very costly, they must have to do something like this to come up with this revenue generation. Glass will look like this. It's partnered with the Ray-Ban to create. So we have a camera on the two sides of the glass. Then you will also have a speaker here, so you can talk to it. You can also hear from the Meta AI app, and it can instantly translate any language that others are doing. And then you can also give information in your language. The other person, if using the Meta glass, they can also hear in their own language. And these photos you can upload, and then based on the photos you can ask question. For example, for this photo you can ask whether is it a good site for camping. then it will give you the answer. You can hear the answer through the Meta AI glass headphones that is close to your ears. If you do not want to have your data compromised, you should take actions. For example, you have to fill up these forms, and then you need to fill up this form, dedicated forms, by logging into your account. And it's a very good tool to use it. And anyway, the AI system is going into this direction. So today or tomorrow, this AI app should be very popular, and everybody is going to admit this new AI app, and also sharing all of your personal information to the large community. Maybe it will become a new normal. We don't know. For the time being, take care of your data. See you in another video.